loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I attempted to braid a snowman and this is what I came up with. What do you think? Did I try? And it is so easy, so easy. The only struggle I had was trying to get like the right accessories to make it look like snowman, but at some point it was looking like voodoo, like a voodoo toy. And if you can have like those googly eyes and just better accessories to use, I believe you'll do well. If you can have maybe like a hat like the cap hat of a doll to make the snowman's hat, like all those other little accessories will make it better. But this was all I could come up with. This style is pretty easy, and so since I don't feel like I necessarily need to talk all through the video telling you what I am doing, because it's kind of straightforward, and besides I'll still be here, I just want to gist you about like what Christmas is growing up in Nigeria for like a middle class family, my memories of Christmas. So to start off, before school closes, like before schools go on break, once it's December, every school organizes, we call them Father Christmas, and that's basically Santa Claus. So we organize like not a party, not necessarily a party, they'll just say Father Christmas is coming to visit and everybody's supposed to pay. So each of the kids will be taxed a certain amount to pay for the visit of Father Christmas. Okay, so for my tutorial, those two bonds were the same size, and then I had the smaller one, but I needed 3 different sizes, so I just stretched one out until it was looking way bigger than the second one. Then I used both of them, and this was how I continued. So guys, you cannot imagine how exciting it used to be for us then. And the good thing about it is, because when that day comes, okay, see what happens there. Like students, because my elementary school was the elementary school of a college, so it's like university primary school. So we always had theater arts students from the university come put up like a Christmas drama for us, and they will tax the students. So they don't do it free. Like the university students will meet the school authority and ask that the kids pay a certain amount, then they will come and make like a drama for us, like a Christmas themed drama. And I'm sure the money is split between both ends, or maybe they even do it for free and the school take the money. I don't know how it's done, but we usually have that before school closes. And then the visit of Father Christmas. Father Christmas is Santa. So when Father Christmas comes, guys, you need to see the ridiculous Father Christmas we used to have. Like it doesn't used to look like big and fluffy and just cuddly like the Father Christmas that I see in movies now, or the ones we have nowadays. Like people put in the costume is way better than how it used to be then. So each and every one of us will pay, and then we will line up. They have different days for different classes. Then Father Christmas will be giving each kid not like a parcel, and in that parcel they are going to just combine whatever they feel like. The children, most times they'll have like plastic glasses, whistles, just fun kid toys, or maybe a school stationery, all those kind of fun things. And then Father Christmas will hand it to each and every one of us. When you get to them, just like Santa, he would ask you questions. Some people were dead scared, like so scared. So like then the older students find it very ridiculous. When we grew older, we would go and make fun of the Father Christmas, and sometimes the school uses one of the male teachers, and it's extremely funny when the kids can actually recognize who is putting on Santa. Then we just be like, you're trying to fool us, they think we don't know this person. Like it used to be fun then to be able to say which of the teachers is Santa, or who Santa is in particular. So that was really fun. That was what happens before school closes. In elementary school then, we didn't used to have like Christmas carols, but now most schools do. Like they have Christmas party. Okay, then we have the end of year party. That's the only time kids are allowed to wear non-uniforms to school. And it's not like now that most elementary schools have like 5 school uniforms for 5 different days. Then we had just one school uniform, and then a sportswear. So that's the only day you can wear whatever dress you've been saving or whatever outfit you've been saving. And then we'll like eat and drink in school and then party. It was like crazy fun. We used to look for like, God of mercy, what are you saying about Christmas? Like when I think about it, it's just so exciting, and it sucks to grow up, seriously. So once we are done with the school ones, let me gist you how parents prepare for Christmas. During long vacation in September, I can say for myself, that is when our parents take us shopping for Christmas outfits, because when it gets to December, everything is like double the price. So you're going to go shopping then and get oversized things. And it's not like one level oversized, it's like two level oversized. When you're wearing it in Christmas, it's also oversized, so that you'll be able to wear it like quite a while before you outgrow it. So we are getting like double oversized stuff in September during the long vacation, and then our parents will store those things against Christmas. And then because you have seen it already, you know what your new shoes, like your complete outfit is, your accessories, like you keep dreaming about it and looking forward to that day when you actually get to put it on. Like we would sleep. I remember like when I go to bed and I think about my complete outfit and how I am going to look like really fly and beautiful in my outfit, I just keep dreaming, God, what's today's date? It's 12th. Oh, tomorrow 13 December, 12 more days to Christmas. Oh, 11 more days to Christmas. That's how we keep counting down. Every morning when you wake up, you count down. How many more days to Christmas? How many more days to Christmas? It used to be like so much fun. And then that Christmas day, guys, that Christmas period, I don't know the funny people who used to go make these plastic glasses and plastic wristwatch. When you put on that glasses, you will not be seeing so well. Like on Christmas day when we are going to church, we'll be walking around and people will be stumbling because they can't see through those plastic glasses. And those glasses hurt the eye, like it will be giving you headache. But we would still wear this thing and be feeling so funky and happy with our plastic, all those things. And once December is passing, most of them get bad because the quality is really crappy. But guys, you can tell us nothing. When we come out with our oversized dress, oversized shoes, oversized hats or whatever on the hair, with our braided hair that maybe you're not allowed to braid, but during Christmas you'll be allowed because some schools don't let kids make their hair. Then you're making your hair very tight hair because your hair was even short to start with, and then your accessories that you can't see well. You need to see all of us walking to church, man. You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say to us. Those memories are priceless. So this is Santa, and I hope you enjoyed my gist. Bye.